Are you ready to embark on a skincare journey that will transform your complexion from dull to radiant? Look no further than Incellderm Skincare, a revolutionary anti-aging Korean skincare line of products designed to cleanse, hydrate, and protect your skin with the power of natural ingredients and liposomal cutting-edge technology. I'm going to go over the Incellderm expert Ryman ritual steps in this video and how you can access these products in the USA and Canada. Let's begin. Cleansing. Step 1. Purecell Cleansing Oil. The first step to achieving a luminous complexion is thorough cleansing. Start with the Purecell Cleansing Oil, a luxurious oil-based cleanser that gently removes makeup, impurities, and excess oil without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. Massage 3 to 4 pumps onto dry skin, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water to reveal a clean, refreshed canvas. Step 2. Snow Enzyme Cleanser EX. For a deeper cleanse, follow up with the Snow Enzyme Cleanser EX. This gentle foaming cleanser harnesses the power of enzymes to dissolve dead skin cells and impurities, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and radiant. Massage onto damp skin, then rinse it off with lukewarm water for a fresh, revitalized complexion. Hydrate. Step 3. Vieton Oil Mist. After cleansing, it's time to hydrate and nourish your skin with the Vieton Oil Mist. Shake well and spray evenly over your face to deliver a burst of hydration infused with deeply nourishing ingredients. Use throughout the day to keep your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Step 4. Calming Balance Gel. Follow up with the Calming Balance Gel to soothe and calm your skin. This lightweight gel formula absorbs quickly to provide instant relief from irritation and redness, leaving your complexion balanced and hydrated. The next steps are for what we call the Boo, which is important for achieving hydrated, youthful, glowing skin. Step 5. Dermatology Booster EX. Enrich your skin with intense hydration by spraying the Dermatology Booster EX onto your face. This potent formula is packed with hydrating ingredients to plump and moisturize your skin from within, revealing a dewy, youthful glow. Step 6. Dermatology Serum EX. Nourish your skin with the Dermatology Serum EX, a luxurious serum enriched with powerful actives to rejuvenate and revitalize your complexion. Apply 4 to 5 drops onto your skin, focusing on areas of concern like under the eyes or crow's feet wrinkles, and gently pat in until fully absorbed. Step 7. Dermatology Booster EX, second spray. For an extra boost of hydration, spray the Dermatology Booster EX onto your skin once again. This double dose of hydration will leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and deeply moisturized. Step 8. Active Cream EX. Complete your skincare routine with the Active Cream EX, an incredibly hydrating moisturizer that locks in moisture and seals in all the benefits of your previous steps. Apply a generous amount onto your skin and massage in until fully absorbed for the signature Ryman glow. Protect. Step 9. Aqua Protection Sunscreen. Finish off your skincare regimen with the Aqua Protection Sunscreen, an essential step to protect your skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation. Apply an even layer to your face, neck and body 30 minutes before sun exposure to keep your glowing complexion safe and protected all day long. With Incellderm Skincare, achieving radiant, healthy skin has never been easier. From gentle cleansers to nourishing moisturizers, each product is carefully formulated to deliver visible results and transform your complexion from the inside out. So why wait? Discover the power of Incellderm Skincare today and unlock the secret to glowing, luminous skin. You can now purchase Incellderm in Canada and the USA. The whole Incellderm Korean skincare line is available to purchase in the description below this video. Thanks for watching. Now go get your glow on.